Mexican hot chocolate. What's Mexican hot chocolate, you ask? It's extremely indulgent, rich chocolate made with real chocolate, melted, frothed up a little bit with a little bit of sugar and usually a cinnamon stick and some chili pepper. So let's make it and see what happens. I'm gonna do half milk and half cream for extra indulgence. Just remember that milk, when it boils over. So you want to be really careful about that. I'm going to start with this amount of chocolate. It may or may not be enough. And we're going to melt the chocolate in this milk. And that's actually how you make hot chocolate, not from opening a tinfoil package. You'll actually end up saving money if you're making a lot of chocolate. So it's starting to melt. I'm going to put a little sugar in here now because it's an indulgent treat. So I'm thinking about the hot chocolate, and I'm putting in as much sugar as I feel like it. I'm just going to quickly taste this because I might want to make it more indulgent. It's pretty indulgent. If I had a friend who really loved chocolate, I might do that, add a little more. So this is how you make hot chocolate, which is a lost art. Actually, it can be much fancier than this. If you study history of food, there's a big collector's item are chocolate sets, which are very fancy little pots, and certainly in Versailles and in many other palaces, there are chocolate rooms where the only thing that was created in that room was chocolate things, Oh man, I wonder if it could be even more chocolatey. You know what? It's holidays. I'm putting in another handful. Oh, this is divine. Okay, I'm just gonna melt the chocolate a little bit more. I know that like the Grinch is super corny and stuff, but when you were little and you saw that it wasn't the presents, the blank, it was being with your friends. It's not a stupid cartoon. They're really trying to remind you about that stuff. And this year of all years, buy a container of nuts and dump them into a bowl, make some hot chocolate and cookies, and invite 2 people over. Sit 10 feet apart if you want. Just enjoy each other's company. Hug your partner. Kiss your dog. I'm gonna do it right now. You have to know how much I love you and appreciate you. Thank you. It's supposed to be a little bit spicy. A little bit spicy, huh? Spicy chipotle chili?
It's gonna be smoky.
That could be good though. I'm gonna put this amount, and then I'm gonna put this amount. 1 shake. Okay. Work it up into a froth, but as we are wont to do here at dinner party tonight, the pan is too small. Now what we want is for the chili to be like a warmth at the back of your throat. Okay, I'm gonna garnish it with a cinnamon stick. Is there a long one here? Not really. I'm gonna pour this into a more easily pourable item. Oh my God, look at her hot chocolate. Anyone?
Go ahead, Reg. Oh wow, this looks good. Oh my God.
If you'd like to, feel free to put a splash of rum in there, whiskey, or even tequila, because it's Christmas time. Here, I'm telling you, this is really good.
Holy smokes.
As they say, a crust of bread, a jug of wine, and thou. So all you need is a tin of peanuts, a mug of hot chocolate, and thou.
Oh my God.
Holy smokes.